Hello friends, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about what is electrical energy and power. We all know that what is energy and what is power, but what is electrical energy and power? So we will discuss here. First we will discuss about electrical power. So electrical power, what is electrical power? We know that power is the rate of doing work, but if we are doing any electrical work, so that rate of doing that electrical work will be electrical power. So we can write that rate of doing electrical work is known as electrical power. If we are doing any electrical work, so the rate of doing that work is known as electrical power. And we know the unit of power, the dimensional formula and the main formula of power. What is the unit? Joule per second, or we can say watt, W-A-T-T, watt, SI unit of power. So here we get the formula of power, W by T, work upon time. To understand it more better, we will draw a diagram here. Let us take a conductor. Let we have a conductor. In a conductor, electron will flow randomly here and there with no direction. So electrons are there moving in the conductor. But what happen when we connect it through a voltage source? If we connect it through a voltage source like this, here is the positive terminal and here is the negative terminal. So what will happen? The negative terminal will repel the electrons and the positive terminal will attract. So electron will start moving from negative terminal to positive terminal. So direction will be like this. But we also know that the current is flowing. The current will flow through in the direction opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. So the current will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal like this. So the work is, whatever the work is done here, whatever the rate of doing work is here, will be known as electrical power. So here we have this equation first, and we have a relation between work and voltage, that is V equal to work by charge. So work will be equal to V into Q. So that is the second equation, and if we combine the first and second equation, so what we get? P will be equal to, power will be equal to work. We will put the value of work here, that is voltage into charge divided by time. And we also know that the rate of flowing charge, that is Q by T, is equal to I, means current. So P will be equal to V into I. And if we put the value of V here, that is IR, so what we will get? P will be equal to I square R. And if we put the value of I here, so we get V square by R. Is it clear? So is it clear that what is electrical power? When it comes to electrical energy, so what is electrical energy? What is electrical energy? We know that the capacity of doing work is known as energy. So whatever we have, if we have more energy, so we can do more work, and if we have no energy, so we can't do any work. So we can say that energy and work are same, both have the same unit, that is joule. So what will be the energy? From this equation number first, the work, or we can say the energy, will be power into time. And if we put the formula of power, different formula of power we have, so we get different formulas. So is it clear? But in case of power, usually we do not use the power, the unit of power watt. We use the another unit of power, that is horsepower. And 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. So keep it in the mind, because we usually use the 1 HP 2 HP like this. So is it clear? If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. If you want the one shot videos of every chapter, so comment. Thanks for watching.